Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and this is Problem of the Day number 7. So in today's scenario, RJ wants to buy a new smartphone online. He also wants to get a case for the phone. The store charges $24.99 for shipping. RJ chose a phone that is regularly $650 and a case that is regularly $33.95. He also has the following deals to choose from. Option A, free phone case plus free shipping on any order over $200. Option B, 5% off your entire order except shipping. And option C, 10% off one item in your order. So our job today is to figure out which option should RJ choose when ordering his phone, and of course we need to explain our reasoning. So I've gone ahead and just jotted down some notes here. The regular prices are $650 for the phone, $33.95 for the case, and $24.99 for shipping. So the first thing that we'll take a look at is the cost if he uses coupon A. So for coupon A, he gets a free case and free shipping. So we can go ahead and cross out the price for case, cross out the price for shipping, and that really just leaves us with the phone price of $650. So the total for A is, nice and easy, $650. So that's it for A, nice and simple. It might be the option that RJ chooses, it might not be. Now we'll take a look at the next coupon. So for coupon B, he gets 5% off the whole order except for shipping. So what we'll do here first is find the cost of the phone and the case without shipping. So we have $650 for the phone plus $33.95 for the case, and that gives us a total of $683.95. So that's full price for those two items without the cost of shipping. Now what we need to do is we need to look here, and it says 5% off. Well, if it's 5% off of the full price, 100% would represent the full price. We have 5% off. What that means is that RJ is going to pay 95% of the original cost. I like to do it this way. I think it's a little easier than finding 5% of $683.95 and then subtracting after, but that's another way that you could do this. So since it's 95% of $683.95, of means multiply. So we'll do 95% as a decimal is 0.95 times $683.95. And if we multiply that out, we get $649.75. So that is the cost that RJ pays after the coupon, but without shipping. So this is after coupon. And the last thing that we need to do here is add in shipping. So we have $649.75 plus $24.99. So including shipping, he pays $674.74. So this is the total for B with shipping right here. $674.74. Now we know that with coupon A, he only paid $650, so we know right now that coupon B is out. We just now have to look at coupon C. So for coupon C, he gets 10% off any one item. So obviously he'll want to choose the most expensive item, so he will choose the phone. 10% off means he pays 90% of the total. So we'll do 0.9 or 0.90 times $650, and this will give us the cost of just the phone. And if we do that, we get a cost for the phone of $585. So that is the phone cost with coupon. Now, this coupon doesn't give him any discount on the case and the shipping, so we just have to add everything together to find the total. So we have $585 plus $33.95 plus $24.99. So using coupon C, adding everything together, RJ has a total price of $643.94. So that's his total with C. So now let's just take a look. I think we can figure this out, but let's take a look at the three total costs side by side. So if he used coupon A, his final price is $650. So he did save a good amount of money there. Coupon B is $674.74, so not as much savings. And with coupon C, he is paying $643.94. So he saves about $6 more, a little more than $6 more with coupon C than with coupon A. So what we would say is RJ should choose coupon C because it only costs $643.94 compared to $650 for coupon A and $674.74 for coupon B. And that's it. Now let's take a look at the problem of the day for tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be looking at problem of the day number 8, which is scrunchie sales. Maya recently started making and selling her own scrunchies. She makes regular and deluxe scrunchies. The regular scrunchies sell for $3 each, and the deluxe scrunchies sell for $5 each. Maya has sold a total of 85 scrunchies so far and has earned $385. How many of each type of scrunchie has she sold? So don't forget that you can find PDFs of both problems of the day in the links below. There's also a link to sign up for the mailing list to get the problem of the day sent straight to your inbox. I'm Pat Long, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Conquering Math.